If you want that cool blurred effect like DSLR, here's how to blur the background of any picture right from your phone using a free website. For that you have to open any browser. I am using Google Chrome. After opening the browser, you have to search for footer.com, FOTOR.com, and you have to press enter. This will take you to that website. Once website load, you have to click on edit photos for free. Then it will redirect you to that page. Once page load, you can open any image you want. So for example, I will select this image and it will take few minutes or seconds for loading depending on file size. You have to select on background and then go to blur background. It will take few minutes or seconds to do all effect settings like that. Remember that it's a paid feature, and if you want that on many pictures and don't want website's watermark to show, you can always purchase the subscription plan. So once you are done with the blur radius, you can hit on tick button and you can download by clicking here. If you have pro plan, you can download that image in HD. But right now, as we are using free plan, we'll go with preview with footer logo and hit on download. So now our download is successfully completed, and that's how you can achieve blurred background effect without downloading any app. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe and comment if you want more tech videos like that. See you in the next one.